Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here with another beauty video, and I thought like I would do a glam holiday look. And for this look, this is going to be a really quick look. If you are keen to see how this look turns out, then don't forget to watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get on with the tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my lids, because I am going to do obviously eyeshadows. What is a holiday glam look without a eyeshadow? So that is what I'm going to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I will prime my eyelids, and for my eyelids I am going to use a concealer. And for the concealer that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use the Revlon Candid concealer. This is my, I would say this is a fave. So I'll just use a brush and put it on my lids. I want a more of a green look for my eyeshadow. So I apply it like so, and then I take a fluffy brush and blend it even more. Okay, so I'll take a little bit of this Makeup Revolution fast base foundation, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lids because I want a little bit of more of a light color over there. So this is a tune. This eyeshadow palette over here, and this is the Revlon Color Edition eyeshadow palette. And in this palette we have a few matte shades, but it's more shimmers than matte. So I'll go into this color, gonna apply that all over the lid. So yes, so now we're going to go into blending, and for blending I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this color over here to blend everything out. Dip my brush in there and just and after blending and blending and blending, it's gonna look something like this. So I'm going to use this color over here, it's a matte color, and I'm going to place the matte color in the inner corner of the eye. Okay, so ek sit die net die in die inner corner met 'n baie klein brush en vat hom neer soos 'n smoky eye, like that. En dan vat ek die brush en blend. And if you feel that the color, the shimmer is a bit gone, you go into the green shade again and just cut the crease even more. Okay, so as soon as I'm done with it, I'm going to highlight the brow bone, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate the Wet n Wild. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Just gonna do the other side, and then I'll be back to show you guys, or to continue with this makeup tutorial. In for more neat to look, or naked look, I'm going to clean up the edges. Just pop on some eyelashes, then I'll be back. So we are back with the eyes. Guys, this is actually the first time that I'm wearing lashes, so bear with me. If you are seeing that I'm wearing more false lashes in my videos, then you know the girls got it right. But anyway, just a little bit of this on my face, and this is the Estee Lauder Set Refresh and Perfecting Makeup Mist. I'm feeling myself, guys. So now I'm going into the, guys, I actually picked up, when was it, 2 days ago, I picked up my favorite foundation again, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte in Poreless foundation. This also picked up this Urban Studio Pro Blending Sponge. Guys, so as soon as I'm done with the foundation, I'm going to go into this Revlon Candid concealer. I'm going to apply a little bit over here, a little bit over here. So, and then I'm gonna blend it in. And what you wanna do, you also wanna do the, double chin. Into that concealer again, and I'm placing it net langs in neus, and also a little bit under the eyes, also a little bit more. Now I'm going to set my face, and for my face I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, also the Maybelline, it's also in the shade 220, and I'm going to use my sponge because I'm going to set the rest of my face as well. Okay guys, and for the eyes, I'm going to finish all the eyes, and I'm going to go into that green shade and then apply it under the eyes. Okay guys, so now I'm going into this palette over here, and this is the Profusion Highlight palette, and I'm going to use this champagne gold color over here to highlight my inner corner. Champagne. Oh no, I'm gonna use the pale gold. No? Or maybe I will mix the two. Oh, this pale gold, guys, is the girl. Guys, I'm only gonna use the pale gold in this palette. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then I'll just take it a bit upwards, like so. The cow. I can't stop looking at my face, guys. I'm so sorry. I should actually look at the lens, but guys, I'm not gonna contour. I did set my contour just with the normal powder, but I'm not gonna contour. I'm gonna go into this palette again, and I'm going to bronze up my face. I actually washed my brushes, so I don't know if it's dry. So now I'm just gonna bronze up my face, guys. And as always, I'm just mixing the three colors. With this as well here by the nose. For highlight, I want to use the spear gold color in this palette. I'm going to use that again. Hopefully it's gonna be pretty. I'm just gonna coat my bottom eyelashes quickly. Lips, I'm going to use a lip liner, and I'm going to use some Dove Vaseline. What do you call this? Vaseline with a Dove name. Pretty. Guys, I'll just fix my hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. So yalla, this is the final result, guys. I'm quite happy how this look came out. I'm quite happy. So this is some holiday. I know we're not in December yet, but just a few weeks until Christmas, so that's why I thought I'm just gonna give you some holiday inspiration. If you are going to a party or even a New Year's party, then this look is for you. I absolutely love the look. I love the lashes. Oh, I'm obsessed, guys. So this is the final result. If you like videos like these, don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And voel nou zo kwaad voor mezelf dat ik Nederlands nou ga niet, because this look is a vibe. Oh, guys, ik love it. Ik love the look. I love it. Guys. But guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and all the products will be listed down below in the description box. Until I see you guys. Guys, I don't even want to say bye, but anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.